you measure space inside a solid figure? Think about this question during the lesson. Volume is the number of cubic units needed to pack a solid figure without gaps or overlaps. A cubic unit is the volume of a cube measuring 1 unit on each edge. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Each cube of a solid figure is 1 cubic unit. Can you use the picture to count the number of unit cubes? No, some of the cubes are hidden from view.
You can't see all the cubes in the bottom layer.
How many cubes make up the bottom layer? How do you know? There are 15 cubes in the bottom layer. You can count the number of cubes in the top layer since you can see all the cubes. The volume of the bottom layer is 15 cubic units. There are 2 layers. How can you find the number of cubes in the 2 layers combined? Multiply the volume of the bottom layer by 2. You can also add 15 and 15. What is the volume of the rectangular prism?
Select your answer.
The volume of the prism is 2 times 15, or 30 cubic units. Now you know how to measure space inside a solid figure.